Hello, welcome to the tutorial to install the Maya plugin to submit your task. The first thing is to install the plugin. For that we have to go to the top left of the deadline manito. Once there we go to Tools, Download Integrated Submit Scripts. A window will open to choose which plugin to download. We look for Maya and click on the box. Next we go to the inferior part in the 3 points and we locate the download where we want. Once downloaded, we will execute the exe installer from where we have downloaded it. The installation window will open, then follow the steps in this video. When it is installed we can open Maya. For this tutorial I will add a test file from our user folder. Now let's check the rendering options. For this, as we know, we go to the rendering options. We check the correct render engine and the file extension to make it a sequence of images. Finally, we must check the path of our project. To do this we go to the top left, in the file, Set Project. Add the new working path inside our project folder. Now the project path will be displayed correctly. Finally, to send our tasks from the deadline plugin and we open it. As soon as it opens we can modify some options. We recommend to edit the options that we say in this video. The first option is the name of the project. Then we check the frames that we are going to render, and very important, the frame per task, set it to 1. We can choose the camera. We check the path of the project. We can change the location where the files will be rendered. Finally, we click Submit to Job and the rendering will start. Thank you for choosing ACRender service.